Hey guys, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited because today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a DEMELLIER bag. Now, DEMELLIER is a brand that's come to my attention maybe in the last year or two over social media. So it's been around for a bit, but it is a new to me brand. I haven't bought any bags from their collection, but they are what people are calling like an affordable luxury brand. Take that as you will, but it is in a lower price point than say a Chanel or a Prada or a Louis Vuitton, and people have been raving over the quality and everything like that, so I wanted to check it out. I also did a little research on the brand, and I thought they were an interesting brand because they talk a lot about the ethics and sustainability behind that brand, and I wanted to look a little into what that meant. And it's things like helping women and children in need with a portion of all of their sales. They also talk a lot about the sustainability of their brand. Their leathers are sourced from tanneries in places like Spain and Italy, but they're all byproducts of their food industry, so they really focus on not letting anything go to waste. They never destroy products. All of the materials are used or donated to leather schools, and their bags are produced in Spain, which all of the big luxury houses produce bags in Spain. They're very well known for their great leather work there. If you're looking for like a sustainable, ethical brand, this is one you can look into and see if it's something that aligns with your values. Another thing that stood out for me from this brand is the fact that they offer lifetime repairs. Now that's a lot more than can be said for other brands. A lot of the really big luxury houses don't offer that anymore, maybe once upon a time. But for example, Chanel, they only offer repairs for 5 years. All right, so let's dive right into the unboxing. Now, I did not buy this from the DEMELLIER website itself. I bought it from Saks. I think it was like maybe the end of September. I posted their friends and family sale, and they had a lot of DEMELLIER styles on sale for 25% off. And again, I did share that sale, so if you're not subscribed to me or you don't have your notification bells on, make sure that you do turn those on or you do subscribe, because I do tend to share a lot of sales and promo codes in my community tab especially. So make sure you're checking that out so that you don't miss anything. But again, I bought this at Saks, so I don't think I'm going to get that sustainable packaging that DEMELLIER talks about. But here's what it looks like when you order it from Saks. So it just says Saks Fifth Avenue in the box, and inside there you can see the bag, and it is the small Vancouver. Now I got it in a color that I don't really have, so let me just pull it out of all the packaging so you can see it better. And here's the bag. It's the Vancouver in the small size. I did get it in the grained leather and in the beautiful taupe color. This is a color that I don't have in my collection, and I've been wanting to get a bag in this color, so when I saw the sale, I thought it was the perfect opportunity to pick something up. This retails for $465, both the sale. I bought this bag for $348.75, and after taxes in Florida, I paid $373.17. Now, whenever you order things from Saks over $100, there is a free shipping promo code. I'll put it here on the bottom, but I believe it's free ship, so I did get free shipping on this bag. Now, to open it, there's like a little push button down here. Just push on that and the bag opens up. And just pulling out the paper here. Actually, I did get a dust bag, so let's pull that dust bag out. It was tucked inside, and it's just a cotton drawstring dust bag with the logo up there on the front. Now this bag is a crossbody bag, so let's just pull out the strap, and it is adjustable. So here you have those little buttons, and you have a few different punched holes in the strap, so if you want to make it shoulder length or crossbody, I think you can. Here's the shortest hole, so let's just sort of like look at that length, and that's definitely a shoulder length. So again, can be worn crossbody, can be worn on the shoulder, which is the versatility I like because I tend to prefer my bags to be crossbody. Now inside, it's just one compartment. In the back you do have a little zippered pocket, and inside here it has the brand logo stamped in the gold lettering, which is a nice little touch. I did get it in the grained leather, so here is a closer look at what this leather looks like. And then as far as branding goes, you just have that little logo inside, and then you have here on the bottom DEMELLIER as well. Now there's no back pocket on this bag, and the stitching matches the color of the bag. And then this is just what the bottom and the sides look like, and this has gold D-ring hardware as well as the gold hardware here on the front of the bag. Now this is a smaller bag, so I'm going to go ahead and do a what fits inside. Now I've gone ahead and packed my bag with pretty much all of the essentials that I would really take out on a regular day. And I've packed my sunglasses. I did pick my thinnest pair, and they are these key, like mini high key sunglasses. They're just like an aviator style, really cute, but they are my thinnest profile glasses. I've also packed a car key, and I've also packed two different card holders now. The first one is my largest card holder. It's my thickest profile card holder, and really the one that I use every day. It fits just fine, but if you are a little pressed for space and you want to pack more than what I have here today, I would definitely recommend going with a flat card holder instead, like this one from YSL. It'll just eat up less space and you'll have more room to pack things, especially in these mini bags that are still so popular. I also packed a little mirror. This is from the Code Couleur collection from earlier this year in the ballerina color from Chanel. They're just great little compact mirrors to fit inside of your purse. They had the color collection, which was limited edition, but they do have the black version still in stock, and I think in other countries they have some colors in stock. So if you're looking for a little compact mirror, I'd go for the black one. And just looking inside, there's still plenty of space. There's still a couple of things in there. For example, my iPhone Pro Max. This is actually the Pro Max 12. I thought I had the 13 for like the longest time, and then I looked at like a photo I took and it said iPhone 12, so I think I'm going to upgrade this soon with the 15. Let me know in the comments below if you've had the 15. I'm debating if I want to stick with the Pro Max size or just get like the Pro size or the regular 15. Inside I also have a lip gloss. This one is from Dior and it's one of my favorites. It's in the shade Rosewood. And this is their Lip Maximizer Hyaluronic Lip Plumper in the shade Rosewood. It's one of my favorite glosses just to put over some lipstick. I also have a little hand lotion. This is from the Jo Malone Advent Calendar that I unboxed last week, so I'll put that up above if you're interested in seeing that video, but this is the Wood Sage and Sea Salt hand lotion. This bottle is 30 ml, so it's a nice little travel size bottle, perfect for a mini purse. And then last but not least, I also have from the Code Couleur collection the nail file from Chanel in the ballerina color. This is a great little nail file, perfect for the purse. It's a glass nail file, so it's a little bit pricier. I think these are also sold out, but I do see the white one, like the regular non-Code Couleur collection version in the boutique sometimes. So if you want to snag one of these, I think they're like 30-40 bucks. So they are pricier for a nail file, but they're glass. It lasts a really long time and I really like it, and I have noticed a difference in the strength of my nails since using this over like a board from the drugstore. Alright, well that is it for this video. Let me know what you think of this bag. If you own this bag or any other bag from DEMELLIER, I'd love to hear your thoughts. There is a larger size, so I'd be interested in seeing that size as well, and maybe doing like a comparison of how big they are. I am going to be wearing this bag for a while, and then I'll be able to do a full review on just things like wear and tear and how to wear this bag, how it fits, mod shots, things like that. But if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.